Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to put timer on workout video using Capcut. It's very easy, so let's get started. The first step to take guys is to make sure you have your workout video saved on your phone. Then secondly, we have to get a green screen timer. Alright, so we can actually get that from the internet. So all you have to do is search for timer, or rather you can just say 5 minutes timer green screen, yeah, something like this. Or you can search for 20 minutes timer green screen, or any amount of time depending on the amount of time you're looking for. So just search for 5 minutes, because I'm searching for 5 minutes timer green screen because that's what I want to make use of. So if you click on videos at the top, you're going to get so many green screens like that on the internet. So all you have to do guys is to save any of that. So you just have to save any of that on your phone, so you can learn how to save any of this on YouTube. Alright, so once you have this saved on your phone, the next thing you have to do is to open the Capcut application. Alright, so you have to install Capcut application on your device from either App Store or Play Store. Alright, so once you have it installed, go ahead and open it just like this, and then click on new project. So now you have to add your workout video, and then once your workout video is placed on the screen just like this, now the next thing you have to do is to choose the position where you want your timer to be placed. So if I want this to be placed in the video, right, like 6 seconds in the video, then I'm just going to choose it right here just like this. So this is 6 seconds in the video. So the next thing I have to do is to click on overlay at the bottom of my screen, and then I'm going to click on add overlay. Then I'll choose my green screen timer, and then what I have to do next is to pinch these. So I can actually pinch these green screen timer to resize it, so just like this, and then I can place it anywhere in the screen. So I just have to drag it to any point that I want on my screen just like this. So the next thing you have to do guys is to tap on the green screen, and from the bottom of your screen just scroll until you see cutout. So click on cutout, and you're going to find this chroma key. Tap on chroma key, and then you'll find this round icon on. Alright, sorry, it just went out. So I'm going to click on this the green screen timer again, and then I'm going to select cutout and chroma key, and then you find this round object on the green screen timer. As you can see, there's this round object on it. So I'm just going to drag it to the green part of the green screen. Alright, just like that. And then I'm going to have to click on this intensity. You see this intensity option right there. Tap on that, and then you can see this option to reset intensity. So you can now drag the intensity just like this, and you're going to discover that the green screen is out. So I'm going to drag it to the right just like this, and you see the green screen is out. So I'm going to click on the check mark at the bottom right corner of my screen just like that guys, and now I can play my video, and you see the green screen is out, and I have my timer placed right there, my 5 minute timer placed right there. So just like that guys. So guys, this is how you can actually add timer on your workout video using Capcut. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.